Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your GPU's health on Windows. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just curious about performance, it's important to know how your graphics card is doing. Let's get into it. Alright, first, let's open the built-in Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar and choosing Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S now. Go to the Performance tab at the top. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on GPU-0 or GPU-1, depending on how many graphics cards you have. Most systems will just show one. Here you'll see a live graph showing how your GPU is performing, like usage, temperature, dedicated memory, and more. If your GPU temperature is staying under 80 degrees during heavy use, you're in good shape. If it's consistently running hotter, it might be time to clean your fans or update your drivers. To dig deeper into your GPU's health, we can use a free tool like GPU-Z or HWB Monitor. Let's try GPU-Z. Open your browser and go to techpowerup.com. GPUs. Download and install it. Don't worry, it's lightweight and free. Once it's open, you'll get a detailed overview of your GPU, clock speeds, memory load, temperature, and even real-time sensor readings. It's super helpful for spotting overheating or underperforming issues. Lastly, keep your drivers up to date. Just go to your GPU brand's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and grab the latest driver for your card. And that's it. Now you know how to check your GPU health on Windows. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.